Is that a typical timescale it will take to gain traction, or do you think it will vary from person to person? My opinion is it will completely and utterly vary person to person, right? Obviously, there's an element of luck with it, but also hard work, time, just natural skill and abilities, right? Even Sal himself has said, like, it could have been shorter, it could have been longer, right? Like, it's all based upon your own journey, your own mentality, like you. So it's going to depend person to person massively.
The way I look at it is don't worry about how long it's going to take, because at the start I was just thinking I want to be rich in 3 months, I want to be rich in 6 months, and that stresses you out, right? It causes a certain element of anxiety, especially when you're at the start of your journey. Because the way I look at it is, in order to motivate yourself, look at people who are in way higher places than you to use that as fuel. But at the same time, it's good to have an element of delusional optimism, but you also don't want to push yourself with that optimism to an extent where you're going crazy. And also have gratitude with the fact that you're even on this journey, because you're already, look at the people below you to remind yourself that things aren't bad, because 95% of people will never leave a job, right?